how to clear cache on Google Chrome. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to clear the cache on Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. Go to your Google Chrome, and once you're in here, cleaning your browser's cache can help improve its performance and resolve certain website issues. So if you have been experiencing slow loading times or encountering glitches, this simple trick might just do the trick. So without further ado, let's dive in right in this step by step on how to clear the cache on Google Chrome. So here at the three dots right here at the upper part of our Chrome, click on this, go to settings. So once you're in the settings, just go to privacy and security. As you can see right here, there are 7 settings here, like clear browsing data, privacy guide, cookies and other site data, security, site setting, and also privacy sandbox. So for us to delete cache in our Google Chrome, click on this one right here. Click on the clear browsing data. So clear history, clear cookies and other site data, cached image and sites. In order for you to clear that, just click this one right here, this 3. Make sure that's checked and click on all time. So once you've clicked on all time, or just last 24 hours, 7 days, or last 4 weeks, click on clear data. And once you've clicked on that, all the cached and cookies are now being deleted. So let's just wait for the Google to do its thing. In order for us to delete, let's just wait for this to finish. And we can now clear our browsing data and cache. So here, cleared Chrome data. So the selected data has been removed and now cached are clear. So once you've done that, just click on advanced right here. Also clear this one right here. So clear data again, and once you've done that, you are good to go. And now cached are now deleted to your Google browser, or your Google data are now cleared. And guys, that's it. You have successfully learned how to clear the cache on Google Chrome. On that simple steps, you can clear cache and make your browsing experience more faster because of the cache data using the processor's usage by its settings. So by removing it, you can make your Google Chrome faster and even better. And it's a handy technique to keep your browser running smoothly and ensure a better browsing experience. Guys, we hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. And also guys, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, don't hesitate and feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.